With all black for true come. Stam, you reach? Stay right there. Yes, Stam says she reach. Stay right there, good girl, Stam. Me there. Me have things to show you. Hold on. Hold on them 2 minutes. Cause so could mark out Steph question for Candy and Stam to record the live. Yeah. I don't busy. Oh, Steph request. Oh. Read too fast. Yeah. Oh, Claude. Me in the inbox. Everybody know the page gone. Who the find my life don't know the page gone? I work. Right. You understand? Everybody who don't know the page gone. I own the on my page. And this boy know cause in a time, me did a beg for the boy. Oh. Well, underneath the page same here with social media street. So on at social media street. Cause that me know say she and it open. She don't block it. Up, Starmy. Yeah. I'm not laughing and come for why. You understand me? This boy how about me in a inbox after the blood clot. Thiefing people, them who thief the page. Going at him frowns the inbox. He might come talk about me and he know the page blood clot gone. He might suck with Kiki while he cut body and can't fuck nobody a foreign. Cause him a blood clot HIV and him give nobody AIDS, nobody say I get deport. Talk about blood clot that a mark show now again. Play.
Oh my god, I can be a styling thing with that one.
No look at Sokun, Marco.
We are play with.
Look at Marco.
Sucker mode for
Suck the, kill him with it. I would have well blood clot, broke him neck. Drunk crow. You call me blood clot, name I go let me outside. Me not the size up in me, cause me never do that yet in my life. Everybody knows say the page gone for true. You understand? Them I come talk about me and page and I come go on. Hey, kill him. Eh? Who I'm black, he can blood clot, black it because them gone with the good one, I'm not care who I'm gone again. Who I'm black, he can Rass black it, them gone with the good, the real one. Stinking suckled Marco. We blood clot straight people make them bat him and I think them are somebody, you know. We catch we chat up to them. If we did hold them like blood clot newspaper, like what we used to do back in the days, them only some blood clot, right? And this is it, the worst type of Batman them come out nowadays. You have some good one where we straight people can't even talk to. Because the people living in them high blood clot class and them never want to associate with blood clot straight people. Everybody knows the Steph page gone for true. And this boy come talk about me, I use it in an inbox. So me in the inbox to teach me for blood clot. Push cocky run on my neck back drunk crow. Eh? We want to start me. Yeah. I'm going to make her black. You try too much. You understand me? Blood clot. IK0 big up. Lord Jesus. Be aware, no, I'm going over here, so. Yeah, you get me? I come talk about me, me trying every way if I contact him. Hey, Jesus Christ. Hey, Marco, that's something that the people them send you. I swear it's something like this. Let me see. Because somebody send me it in my inbox. Hold on there. A beer movie them a show over here. Hold on there. Hold on there. I think of something like this. But me did end up with a black the fucking person too, you know. Yeah, because you know, me can't tame. I love try bully people too much. You know, figure way. You know what I mean? Because I worry about people sending come ask me, Steph, did you? All right. She know, shortcake, strawberry shortcake, our woman. One girl, always on my inbox. And them send me all this too. Look here. And this some fear page. Them going on my page, take her out and I send this to me for hear them. I need your help right now. And me, them I send it to you know. And then I now text and say, uno fuck off. Wait there. Wait there. It get dark. Sure. I now text and say, uno fuck off and go and look at job. Uno two fucking thief. That's how me text and say. You understand? I ain't not, and it's seen, I ain't not come back to me a blood clot no. It not come back to me all I know. Strawberry shortcake, look at them going with your page too. You see? Them going with fear page too. Because them know how to come to people. Because them come to me and them say to me, say, them just buy a new phone. Them just buy a new phone and them can't activate it. If me could have please accept a code for them. Make them activate it. Please, please, and prayer on. Me enough now gonna go blood clot do it. And give them the code and them thief me page. Private is a good yeah. Everyone has a right to like who them like. Right, that's stuff it true. You get me? And everybody in it about and me I do it. And me I do it a blood clot. Me I do what? Me not go in a people inbox. Me not go in a people inbox. Them could have tried from now till the morning. You have to be a good blood clot rep. That's me going in your inbox. I have to hear good things about blood clot you. No Batman. That's what I got. And I told them where to go and block it again. And I've heard no more. And I know my page can block. I know the page where the people them thief can't get restricted. It's still a go on with itself out there. And I even go in on Instagram myself and write and say this is me. And then I impersonate this page. Me I'll put in the page. And them still have it out there run with it. Make blood clot all dark shit from gully blood clot monkey to gully rat to gully blood clot sewage. I come get blood clot bright. But me in your inbox, don't get blood clot bright. Don't get bright. Blood clot fuck chuck. Don't get bright. Don't do that. But me in your inbox, so come walk and tell nobody say me in your inbox. Because that will never happen. Bright no blood clot. You know I can thief people page like dog. Suck out like drunk or dirty marker you may attack. Fuck out short marker. You saw the man a push him out down in your neck back. I'd want him strangled to death. Dog shit house. I'd want him strangled to death. But all you do a video. It's supposed to video your Batman blood clot and show up your nastiness. Yeah. Because you use nothing but a drink crow. Come on. For God, all I want to do is go around with your makeup story and lies. In it, be a lie them tell for true. Be a lie. From me companies at internet to October. I'm telling you, I don't hear a truth all now. Them just build story that's people for come cuss and come suck me back here. But me in your inbox, it's true dark. Outclot. Bend down and pick up and shit. Way. She way. I go like me a blood clot size. A cocky throat boy, me ain't no size, you know. Dog go like you want size up, you know. Remember me and the same thing. Dog go like you want size up. Fuck out neck back boy. Dirty Marco. Me a fling out your blood clot. Me a dash up your blood clot. I'm gonna busy me a put up on my page. Don't move, Sherry. Me have something for sure. Don't move. Me have things for sure. Wanna see it yet? Stay right there. I go and dash up your blood clot. Because them have to block me. I go and dash up your blood clot. But me in your inbox. So the fuck me in the inbox and me have so much good people inbox to talk to. Eh? Pay nice people. You think a Ray me chat to about ya? Me no chat to Ray. Stay right there, Sharon. Don't leave me. I have things for show you. Me no chat to Ray. That was back in the days when I was Steph. Now I am Stephanie. Steph more bad. Me I tell you. Blood clot fuck out booty boy. You see you barefoot. You barefoot. You 10 blood clot commandment on the ground. And I need blood clot pass over so cold. Stay right there, good girl, cause you're one of my next of blood clot kid. Bet the real know. I be a good people me talk to it. Me talk to Flea Flan or Flan Floon. Show it couple of seconds. It can't. What me can't. If you leave it, me will block your page. Stephanie real nice. Alright, that's a good girl. God no man, that's how people just get up and tell people kindness for them weakness. You know how long me up my life I beg for the boy? And the boy, the plan was to beg for him and him will make every dollar, Jamaican dollar, 200 Jamaican dollar for 30 pill in the box. Or 31 or 30 much in the buckle. Yes, but I know when me beg for him, that can buy everybody pill. 88,000 is a lot. That's what I tell him. But when me hear the boy switch and say him want to use the bunny got foreign and rare, me I take myself, take my time and jaw with him flick out when first him flick out Emily. Him know what the boy get no help. I'm not for help Emily because Emily I got mind man. Emily I got do this Emily I got do that. Right? And change because of the two away. Me and one other girl, the next girl back out and Emily asked me, I say Emily, the next girl back out, you know, so me alone can't do it. Now, him come on now, I start a beg. The boy want to hold the money for himself. Anyway, him take that 88,000 and start beg now, different for different people. Him bex. Him blood clot bex. And that's a drag me blood clot name to the mud. Batty man and me make Corona grab your mama just catches and fling her in our hole. Eh? Black or private and confident. Why am I for black iron? No, Sam, I look a friend. You get me? What the fuck? And I come blood clot about me in inbox. So the fuck me I doing in inbox? Fuck short. Fuck out short. I be sure I never none of my blood clot family my fuck out your throat. Come my family them straight. Like a blood clot arrow. I never meet a rape out your throat coming off cocky. Everybody get raped in a pussy, them a rape out your neck back. And I drag down your blood clot neck. Come and show it one more time again for now. Until the people them come again. Me now stop rub out your blood clot. Come. Bright. Don't get bright with me. Stambo say what why. Because I like candy. She can like who she want like good girl. I'm in the business. Hold on there. I wear something gone. Come, hit the right right now, gone nowhere. It's sit down right to say now WhatsApp. Wait there. Come again. When you're running at this, you know, look over.
Oh my god, like I be a styling thing in that one.
Look at Marco. Look at Sokud Marco. Are you crazy, Storm? Why should Steph block me? Block her. Look here. I don't want the man use the hood and bust your blood clot head back. Look at, I mean your inbox. I do. Me na your inbox doing what? Eh? Talk truth. Me na your inbox I do. What me na your inbox I do? I ask you for teach me for so good. Eh? Just me na your inbox. Are you crazy, Sam? Read them something, yeah. Please, leg on my frack. Leg on my frack. Stop pussy. So leg on my frack tail. Don't say no bad over here. I don't come for trace. I don't care. Who you like? Well, call me name, run up. Please comment. Are killing me. These comments are killing me. Don't stop. She don't know nothing. Jesus Christ, Paul says stop. Hey Steph, where you get these things? From blood clean people. He might call me name. Sharing this boy I call me name, so me in him inbox I try to get contact with him. When me I try to get contact with no non-progressive element, low life, switchback, Batman, booty, suckled, under bridge, sycamore, blood clot bridge, blood clot, and I don't know if class this Batman. Laugh out loud them bad door. I'll tongue action, they want to see him. For true. That shit house. I mean, I hear blood clot inbox. What me are doing there? What me are doing there inbox? For trade me off the blood clot, the tongue motion. I would the woman just say tongue action. Eh? What the fuck? And that mean your inbox I do? Blood clot drunk raw. But me, nah stop. Me want contact you. I want contact as a stabbing in your throat. Make you stop blood clot push it in there. That me want. That me want to do. Blood clot. Want push something in your blood clot throat sharp. I like a sword. The blood clot, it cut out your neck back and kill your pussy clot. I want to make blood clot, man, blood clot. I hold on pan some girl and I want to give them money. I feel like say blood clot, woman, owe them obligation. One batty man. Low life, but Jesus Christ Almighty God, when me used to hear about fish when me there at Jamaica, I never know say I saw no time. Me used to think of some high class fish where walk tush and stocious and have them things and something. For you tell me say you have the blood clot, HIV and ball to me. Me ball with you help. I help you. And you use that and grab me through the blood clot mode like a name Corona where grab your mama jaw scratches, carry her go fling her in one hole. I name Corona. We blood clot draw away your mama. We scrape your mama on the earth. Dirty Marco. Lord, gonna be a war over here so we can't manage. Talk truth. Eh? Then me could have. Why want my noise? Why you want my noise? You dirty little drunk crow. Cause drunk crow not even dog no dirty like you. Drunk crow now say that everybody else, everybody dead them pitch pan and suck and blood clot yam. You come like you're worse than scavenger. You're worse than the crowbait them a fly down pan blood clot dead meat. Those blood clot fuck out throat, fuck out that back, fuck out waistline, fuck out all the collarbone the boy push him cocky. Blood clot. All the neck back them push blood clot cocky you come bomb in your inbox. Look how long the page gone. You have blood clot Kiki. Kiki him I say, I don't know why him say And this one I don't know, this is last week. Hear him. Me don't know why out of everybody, me Batman know what Steph session I like. Why am me chef ask for help? For you see that you know that's not me. Cause you can't help me, Kiki. Kiki in one little place in America. And you can't blood clot move around too hard because if you move them, I'm going to deport you. Because you tell Marcus, say, if you fuck nobody over here, you get deport. Over there, you get deport. If you give nobody your fucking dirty HIV, oh yeah. That's what you say. You know, I'm gonna fuck God, no, I be a suck me suck. Drunk crow. We no head the bottom. And head the throat. I would not suck and get heads in on a blood clot tonsil. And I clean people who don't want to come rep with. Don't rep with blood clot me. Go rep with no mama blood clot stiff jaw scratches a come like crackery. Don't rep with blood clot me. The page gone long blood clot but long time me gone later Steph. Alright, good girl. You understand? Don't blood clot come bright and blood clot size up yourself with me fuck out neck back boy. Them push hood all both of you. Down in your collarbone and in your arm all both of blood clot, your shit pit. Don't get blood clot bright. Cause me put hood weight for blood clot, but that's why me breathe so much. No egg no hatching a blood clot short. Don't get bright blood clot, dynamic blood clot, deep neck back blood clot, sword boy. Yet blood clot neck back, I shall not sword the man of a shoot to your blood clot neck. Batty man, I think my friend for argue, you know. A whole heap of people afraid to argue with blood clot LGBT. Uno, and a LGBT. Uno a TLBG. Uno backwards no blood clot. Cause no Batman no go like uno Missy Batman in England yeah, and you can't hold argument with them. Cause them not look at you. Uno and a Batman. Uno a dirty fuck. I rape someone no mama blood clot get and conk with cocky carrying up on earth. That's how no blood clot comes so. And someone the father a straight blood clot fish. That's how no come so. Uno and a blood clot Batman. Uno is not gay. Uno and a LG blood clot BT. Uno turn back blood clot words. Uno the barefoot, dirty foot, all type of blood clot, none ambition, waste blood clot, fuck we put on blood clot earth. You come blood clot about me in your inbox. When you know your fuck out inbox, your throat fuck right out. Don't size up with blood clot me. And your fuck out throat, Marco. Marco, your throat represent done. Me always hear girl, boy say girl all done, but your blood clot neck back done. It right ounce pronounce. Your neck back dead. When the man they done with the neck back, you have no feelings in there. Rass Batman them. Me I tell you, Caddy, that the man a Batman. I'm going to find out, I'm going to go to the dictionary, I'm going to find out the worst blood clot name. Because uno no batty blood clot, man. The last time you just said post favor something will come out of the sea. One blood clot, something will come out of the last time you, Marco, tell me say post favor one something when the name will come out of the sea. You don't even know if to put puss in a class. But uno and a batty man. Uno, yeah, yap, and yap, and dirt like you. Dirty blood clot pad. Uno come like some dirty pad of the blood clot. Fox and the puss and the dog drag all about the streets. We have get in England, not Batman. This is a difference. Come on, you have some good Batman to them, you are not Batman. Them you are fucker, waste fuck. Waste fuck, bring them your drunk here. And rape and battery and Duracell. And it bring them your blood clot. But me in your inbox. You feel an idiot. Me in your inbox at door. Excuse me, Marco. I would like to say to you, can you teach me to push cocky around my blood clot neck back? I must that me in there say. I've been asked that me not blood clot say nothing. Me not come in the inbox because you not teach nothing right. The last time when me check I made a beg for you because the mother not give nothing. I made the people them gate through. Dog shit was high Charmaine. Blood clean, I top gangster Robert. Blood clot, shit up blood clot, will laugh out loud, no sir. In it, Drew, talk truth. I must say that me forgot in him inbox go say. I'm afraid to hear that you not hear nothing at all, because I don't want no blood clot training from you. And like Marcus so him can watch the show. Me man, I don't want me blood clot, grass bite and me blood clot. Put me blood clot out. Me no want me phone for blood clot of typhoid fever and dengue and blood clot, corona, even my blood clot. Cause corona jaw if him my jaw scratches gone with it, you know. Me no want my phone for blood clot of it. Him will get the message. Him will get it. Cause people will carry it. The people them share the life anyway, them share it, so them will get it. Blood clot and Fronzy Kiki a combo. And that is Steph, you don't know nothing about blood clot, me Kiki. Me never see in a real life yet. Me never see none of in a real life yet. You can't just blood clot, cuss and talk. But Kiki, me not have no germs in my blood clot blood. Me breathe every day. You notice me have 7 kids? Breathe every day, me wake up. Baby in my belly, I shake up. Breathe every blood clot day. At the blood clot week. When I find one blood clot, I have man right now, you know. But I refuse to get pregnant. When I find one nice good man for say, Ray, yeah. My blood clot. Yeah, you know. Start with the months of the blood clot here. Come depend me finish with the days of the blood clot week from 1 to 7. Cause suck your mother, Marco. I make love to have me blood clot, baby. Right, this a talk. Me make love to have me baby them. Me not get no jar and a battery and a blood clot rape for have them. Move your blood clot or rape your mama get to have you. Battery dolly blood clot. So your mama know if it's so good from before so good a go on. From before so could come out, your mama bust it first. That's why your blood clot are expert. What do you call it? Expert. That's why your blood clot expert pan it. Because you're so good from before your blood clot hatch. Come Marco, come reason. Come with blood clot reason. So good blood clot, Marco. Look how the hood stand up stiff for your robot under blood clot crutches. It a drench out your AIDS blood clot neck back. All them the boy they have blood clot time. Look how long you catch AIDS. You catch AIDS from the devil was a boy. And you see how much now 28 I got 20 blood clot 9. And this boy have him naked cocky. In a year blood clot short and saliva can give AIDS cause blood. But have to be a lot of spit still. Let me see a lot of saliva. It has to be a lot of saliva for you to catch AIDS. Because blood in a blood clot saliva, you know. And you just suck the blood clot out so. Dog shit. And I come call me name. No blood clot call me name. Call your mama name. Where blood clot corona script where dirty blood clot. Yeah. I saw no force people for rub out all the dead. So no steer. I saw no steer. Cause me now like me have a nice good heart and you only can't tell me anything and get anything from me. And make me do anything. You remember in a rain snow and fix me tomorrow. Your body man fuck out throat, long neck, bumbo clot, all peeling skin, blood clot, dirty, all that. I don't even know if you call you fuck throat. Dirty Marco. Thinking Marco. Shit up Marco. When I done ribby bit your blood clot, you run off Insta blood clot gram. Come. And again, you don't have no blood clot shame. You don't have no shame because you don't have a man. You don't have blood clot sperms where blood clot people fucking a condom and dash and people take it up and put it down them blood clot hole for free. And the doctor put it in there, them take up the condom off of the ground and bust the hole and squeeze out all your sperms down in a pussy. And so you come. So uno. I want to ask you for something, but I'm afraid. Ask me anything, Joe, and if I anything way private, go in my inbox. Me with reason. Steph more bad, you know. Right, that's a talking about bad me blood clot brains. Remember the whole of we are Jamaican. Whole of we more bad at times, man and woman. But you know, you have to drop me with a pin for me come out. Blood clot, batsy boy. Me not afraid to argue with you, no. Say people afraid to argue with Uno. Me and one girl me will argue with Uno dirty blood clot cause I drank crow. And drunk and I'm supposed to pitch pan blood clot live meat cause me not dead. So we know where the blood clot you pitch pan, so me have to fly up for make you know say me still alive, fly off. All the time drunk or pitch pan dead meat and them stay blood clot pitch and them the answer I when them dead. So when drunk like uno pitch pan blood clot live me have to reel up and make you know so I'm still awake. Run! Suck your mother. But might lie down and pretend like me then and when the pitch be rise. Suck your mama drunk bro. With the fuck out throat. You welcome me blood clot hold it down and the boy never have no gun in your head. Me see it with my eyes. You just a suck wood for free or go away so. You just a suck with no payment. While upon something under my girl, all him want 2 blood clot box with 2 blood clot iron pipe sandwich bluffing and 2 jawbone. I'ma tell blood clot you were a man. Well, your cock is stiff when you get up to this blood clot suck him out. Suck me under my girl. None ambition, none progressive blood clot elements. Let me show it one more time because I have minutes for this blood clot stop and I go for my child at school. Let me show it again. Look, the live account dog. Wait, they come quick. Minutes! The live account dog. Come quick. Wait, they come. Come.
Oh my God, like I be a styling thing.
Live account down 10 seconds and it gone. Wanna take a look. Dirty marker.
Just like I bought from
Wanna spread